Alright, so today we're going to do an install on a Jeep with a roller Fairlead, but this will really apply to any vehicle that has a roller Fairlead. And first thing you're going to want to do is loosen the two bolts. There's one here and there's one here. Now in this particular one, these are 18 millimeter, so I'm sure that the size will vary, but you just get on the back on the nut here and loosen. I've already loosened this so that we could expedite this process, and I loosened them on both sides. One of the important things you want to make sure is here on the winch, you want to make sure that you put it in the free spool, because if you've got your tow hook pulled up tight, it's not going to allow the Fairlead to come forward to slide the plate back. So we're going to go ahead and loosen those up on each side here. Again, this is 18 millimeter. I'm going to loosen these up just like this. Loosen this one up just like this. Make sure that I pull this forward so that I haven't, and show them there's a gap right there, and that's where the bracket's going to slide into. Okay, so now that we've got that loose, we're going to take the base plate, this is for the roller Fairlead, and we're going to slide it right in behind and straddle the nuts, the bolts that we just loosened, and then we're just going to slide this right down into place until it stops. There you go. So that's all the way down in place right there. Now we're going to tighten it up. Get behind on the nut on the back here on that one, and then just tighten up the bolt. And by tightening up, it'll just basically sandwich it in between the Fairlead and the thing. I'm going to go to the other side. Needs to be tightened pretty good. Holding the Fairlead on, and there you go, and that's on there. So now I've already put the front plate on using the 4 screws. So now you're just going to line that up with the pull pin, push it in until it clicks into place, and there you go. Also, as a reminder, don't forget to put the winch back in the lock position. Okay, so then also, just for those that like to take their vehicle off road, we actually make a GoPro mount. You would just attach your GoPro here, slide it in, and then you go off-road, and when you're done, you can simply just pull it off, put your license plate back on, and you're ready to go.